Okay, this is the Mizuki's digital 17mm 2.8 lens that came with my Olympus Pen E-P3. Right now I'm using two strobes, the modeling lamps on them, the softbox right here. Not sure if you can see the catch light in my eyes, and then there's the strobe right behind me knocking out the wall. One of the biggest problems I have with the 17mm used as a video lens is the autofocus noise, which you'll probably hear in just about a second. You can probably hear that grinding, that's the autofocus going, which is even more annoying when you have the continuous autofocus working. Right now I have the camera set in manual mode, which is 1/30th of a second at f4, and it's at ISO 1600 because the modeling lamps on the strobes are not that bright. I actually have the softbox not even 2 feet from my face right now, and I'm probably about 3 foot from the wall. And yes, these walls are actually this horrendous orange color. Trying to think of what else to say. Can't think of anything. Oh, the microphone on the camera is what you're listening to right now. That's built in. Actually, I'm not even sure if this flash trigger. Let me tighten this up a little bit. I'm not even sure if the flash trigger on top is blocking. Oh, come on. There we go. Really tight. Focus again. There you go. That probably was blocking the microphone on the camera. If you do get the SEMA 1 adapter, which I don't have yet, the lens noise will actually be much louder when you have the provided microphone attached to the adapter right on the camera. The other kit lens, the 14 and 45, which is normally what you would get with the EP3, is actually MSC, which is movie still compatible. As a result, the autofocus noise is actually a lot quieter. You probably won't normally hear it. But I did not feel like spending an extra couple $100, so I just used my Pentec K to Micro Four Thirds adapter that I got from PhotoDiox, and will often use my Pentec 50mm 1.4 lens for video, which you can actually see an example of on my YouTube channel. Actually, I'll provide a link on the video itself when I get a chance. The other nice thing is you normally want to shoot the videos on the Olympus in manual mode if you have controlled lighting. That way you can increase the shutter speeds if you have to, which will give it a smoother motion. Right now it's at 1/30th of a second, which is the lowest shutter speed you can use in video. And it actually isn't bad for ISO 1600, although I kind of wish you could actually use higher for video, but you can't. To make matters worse, the image stabilization built into the camera does not work in video. It actually uses internal software when doing image stabilization, as opposed to the sensor shift like it does in photos, which would actually be really nice, but I'm assuming there's hardware limitations in shooting video and using the sensor shift at the same time, which I guess probably wouldn't make much sense if you're shooting at a much higher shutter rate. And I guess that's about it.